Today we are going to talk about rate of reaction, past paper questions. So samarium is a metal. A large piece of samarium is reacted with a cold water to produce hydrogen gas. Okay, that is the equation. 2Sm plus 6H2O gives us 2 moles of Sm hydroxide OH3 whole thrice plus 3H2. Complete the drawing in the apparatus shown to show the volume of the gas in the measuring gas measured. So we just need, I think, one syringe maybe. Okay, for example, that would be closed and it will be attached to the syringe. Okay, so that will measure the volume of the gas produced. Okay, so this is a pipe, a small pipe. I'm not good with the drawing, but you can understand that is a pipe, so gas will flow in this pipe and we can find the volume over here. Okay, that would be the volume. The experiment uses using hot water instead of cold water. All conditions stay the same. Describe the rate, how the rate of reaction changes with the hot water. It will increase. So there will be more kinetic energy, so reaction will increase. Okay. Experiment is using powder samaritan instead of large pieces of samaritan. So surface area will increase. So more surface area will result in more number of particles collide with each other. So rate of reaction will increase. Okay. Question number 3. An investigation investigates the reaction of a small zinc of a same mass size with the three different concentration of dilute hydrochloric acid in the presence of catalyst. The three concentrations of dilute sulfuric acids are 1, 1.5, 2. All the other conditions stays the same. Shows the time taken for the reaction to finish. Okay. So first will be finished in 200 seconds, so it is the slowest one. So concentration will be 1 mole per decimeter cube, mole per decimeter cube. Okay. Second is the fastest one, so which have the most concentration, that is 2 moles per decimeter cube. And the third one we know that is in the middle, so 1.5 moles per decimeter cube. As the number of moles per decimeter cube is more, so reaction will be more faster. Okay. Complete the table writing. Okay. Describe the effect of time taken for the zinc to finish reacting with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid with no catalyst present. All the other conditions are take longer time. Okay. Catalyst will decrease the activation energy, so reaction will move faster. Okay. Okay. Describe the effect of time taken for the zinc to finish reaction when the surface area of zinc is increased. More surface area, so more faster reaction, so time will be short. Okay. This question is about acid, bases, and salt. Question number 6. The rate of reaction of zinc powder with dilute sulfuric acid is found by measuring the increase in the volume of hydrogen gas produced as time increases. Describe the effect, if any, each of the following on the rate of reaction. Okay. The reaction is carried out with the large pieces of zinc instead of zinc powder. All others, all other conditions are the same. So large pieces means that the surface area will decrease, and so the reaction is slow. The reaction is carried out using a catalyst, so less activation energy, so more can reach the energy more quickly, so reaction will be faster. The reaction is carried out with dilute sulfuric acid of low concentration, so low concentration means less number of molecules, so slow reaction. Okay. Question number 7. How many questions we have? Okay, that is the last question. A student investigated the rate of reaction of a piece of copper carbonate with a dilute hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid is in excess. So CuCO3 plus 2HCl gives us CuCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. The rate of reaction is found by measuring the mass of the reactant mixtures as the time increases. The result is shown. Okay, as time increases, the rate of reaction will slow down. Reduce the mass of mixture at 30 second. 30 second is here, so we will move here and then somewhere over here. So that is 180.42. Okay, that is 180.42. The experiment is using a small calcium carbonate. All the other conditions are same on the grid to show the mass. So now when they are in, so mass will decrease more quickly. Okay, sorry, steeper. Sorry, that is time. So it will take less time because so time will be now less. Okay, to reach that point. Describe the effect of using following on the rate of reaction of the copper. All the reaction is carried out in presence of catalyst, so less energy is needed. Okay, because less activation energy, so reaction will be faster. Carried out using a lower concentration, less molecules, so less number of molecules will turn into that. Okay. Zero point 0.2 centimeter, 0.2 grams of calcium carbonate is used and 38 centimeter cube of carbon dioxide gas is produced. Okay. Calculate the volume of the gas produced when copper 2 carbonate is used. Zero point 0.2 we get 38, for zero point 0.5 we get 92, 95. Okay. You can do it from this method. Sorry, I will write here. So zero point 0.2 produce the 38. Okay, 38. So zero point 0.5 produce how much? X. So you will cross multiply it and that will give you 95 centimeter cube. That's all about it. Most of the people, you didn't even subscribe to my channel. It takes a lot of hard work to do this. So yeah, and if you want to take online classes, you can contact us. We can provide you a best teachers for that.